How much should you actually spend on a drone? Some people are thrilled with the cheap options, while others return the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a standout option that grabbed my attention with its compact design and impressive features, all for around $299. If you want cinematic quality without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This drone is beginner-friendly and doesn't require FAA registration, making it an easy entry point for new flyers. With a 4K UHD camera, you can capture stunning moments in any light. Think breathtaking sunsets or family gatherings. The 31-minute flight time and 10-kilometer video transmission mean you can explore quite a distance without worrying about battery life. And it's built to withstand winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, so you can confidently take it out even when the weather isn't perfect. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 4K resolution means you can zoom in and identify details from a good distance, which is exactly what you need when capturing those special memories. Now, some reviews mention that the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play, which might be a hassle for Android users. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to download the app directly from DJI's website. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for high-quality footage without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a more advanced drone with extensive manual controls. For the price, it offers great value, especially for those just starting out. Now, if the app issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more advanced features. Product number 2, Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 caught my eye with its impressive specs and a price tag of around $399.99. If you're serious about capturing high-quality videos and photos, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with an 8K photo capability and 4K HDR video, the Atom 2 stands out. The 32-minute flight time and 10-kilometer control range mean you'll have plenty of time and space to get those epic shots. Plus, the AI tracking feature ensures that it can follow you seamlessly, which is fantastic if you're vlogging or filming outdoor activities. It charges quickly too, with 3 batteries ready to go in just 1.3 hours, letting you explore more without worrying about downtime. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to shoot in low light means you can capture those evening adventures without worrying about grainy footage. Now, some users have mentioned that the remote can be a bit finicky at times. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the performance makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a drone that balances high-quality video with smart features. Skip this one if you're a casual flyer who won't utilize the advanced specs. Given what you're getting, it's solid value for enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a truly lightweight drone. Product number 3, DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a fascinating little drone priced at just $139, and it's been receiving a lot of buzz for its portability and ease of use. If you're looking for a lightweight option that's super easy to operate, this is worth a serious look. At only 135 grams, the Neo doesn't require FAA registration, making it a convenient choice for spontaneous adventures. It boasts 4K UHD video capabilities and features like palm takeoff, letting you launch it straight from your hand. This is perfect for capturing quick moments at family gatherings or outdoor activities. The built-in stabilization helps ensure your footage is smooth and professional looking, even in breezy conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The quick takeoff feature means you won't miss those fleeting memories. Now, some folks have pointed out that the app activation can be a bit of a hassle if you're not tech savvy. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the ease of use shines through. This is perfect for you if you want a drone that you can easily carry around and deploy for quick shots. Skip this one if you want a drone with extensive controls and advanced features. For the price, it's a fantastic entry-level option. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more range and more features, the next one is a great step up. Product number 4, Roku F11 Pro 2. The Roku F11 Pro 2 caught my attention at $239.99, offering some impressive features for a mid-range drone. If you want fantastic video quality without the premium price, this is worth a serious look. With a 6K camera and 3-axis gimbal, this drone promises cinematic stability and clarity in your shots. You get 2 batteries, providing a total of 70 minutes of flight time, which is excellent for those extended outdoor trips. The auto-return feature is a lifesaver, ensuring you won't lose your drone if the battery runs low. This matters because it means you can focus on capturing great footage instead of worrying about where your drone is. Plus, with a 10,000-foot transmission range, you can really explore your surroundings. Now, some reviews mention that the user manual is a bit lacking in details. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the intuitive controls make flying a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're interested in family activities or outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you need a drone with advanced photography features. Given the specs, it's a solid deal for capturing your memories. Alright, that was an excellent choice. But if you want something even more lightweight and user-friendly, check out the next option. Product number 5, Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is another great option at about $209.99. If you're interested in a drone that's easy to handle and packed with features, this is worth a serious look. This drone weighs less than 249 grams and doesn't require FAA registration, making it super portable. With a 4K EIS camera, you can capture high-quality footage while the advanced GPS auto-return gives you peace of mind while flying. The flight time of 62 minutes with 2 batteries is impressive, giving you ample opportunity to record everything around you. Plus, the PicSync technology ensures a stable connection even at 4 kilometers, which means you won't lose your signal easily. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a longer flight time and solid connectivity means you can focus more on capturing those moments without constant recharging. Now, some users reported a learning curve with the controls and modes. But here's the thing, once you figure out, the controls are quite fun and flexible. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for something that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you're an advanced pilot looking for extensive manual options. Considering everything you get, it's a great buy for those exploring aerial photography. So there you have it, 5 solid alternatives to consider instead of going straight for that DJI. Whether you're looking for a lightweight option like the DJI Neo or something with advanced features like the Atom 2, there's something for everyone. Each has its pros and cons, but they all pack a punch in their own way. Happy flying!